involves here the width of both holes shall be taken 2 mm greater than the nominal dimension of the hole. If hindi, parang ganun yung sa mga references, pag hindi nominal yung given, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na nominal hole diameter. Hindi rin siya yung actual hole diameter. Yung actual hole diameter is the nominal hole diameter is actually 1 mm larger than the actual. Kaya pag 1 plus 2 ka, that will be the actual size or the exact size plus 3 mm. Pero if meron ka ng nominal hole diameter, mag-add ka na lang ng 2 mm. Okay, correction na 2 mm. If nominal hole yung given. If hindi nominal hole yung given, then you have to get the nominal hole diameter. If for example sa actual, Pero given naman yan sa specifications if for example you want to determine the nominal hole diameter that is appropriate for this type of bolt, mga ganun, you can have that. Okay, are there any questions? Nasusundan pa? Okay. Saan na tayo nag-end? Okay, doon na tayo sa staggered. Okay, so pag naka-staggered siya, it's just the net area kanina, mag-add lang tayo ng S squared over 4G. S refers to the distance nila along the horizontal axis if ganyan yung orientation. And then, G naman is yung difference nila vertically.
Have you? Just like that, just like that.